Hello guys, welcome to the Wednesday forecast. So let's take a look at the market. Here we have the euro and the US dollar. Now we are having some moves on this one, so that is good. What I'm seeing, so there was an opportunity to enter on a flag right here. So this flag formed, but for me personally, this would be the entry candle, the first bullish candle after the flag forms. But for me personally, this didn't fit my plan. Because of this aggressive retrace, I wanted to see more of a range, and we got this wick right here. So I wanted to see, I think I said it in the last forecast, I wanted to see a range and then a break of the low and the retrace. So this one didn't fit my plan. And then there was another opportunity to enter. So on a bullet trade right here, so this would be the entry level right here. We broke the high with momentum, so there was a trend started. We had one push, pullback, and then another push. Broke with one candle, got a good clean close, but then we got this wick. So because of this wick, I wanted to see at least some slowdown of momentum. I wanted to see something like this, a descending, but we actually got a straight V reversal. So we got a V to the entry point, and this one also didn't fit my plan, but currently the both trades would be in profit. So that is what can happen, but both of them didn't fit my plan, my personal plan. So what I'm expecting, I'm seeing now that we broke the high retrace, I'm expecting that we start to form an ascending, and then I am looking for a reversal and the flag to go short, or I'm looking for a large impulse to the upside and then a flag to go long, maybe to continue with this trend, or I'm seeing if we will get another push, pullback, another push, something like this, then look for a break and retest trade, or a bullet trade, so same thing, different name. But I'm looking to enter on this uptrend. One concern is that this is starting to lose steam and look more as an ascending structure than an actual trend, especially on the euro and the US dollar. I need to be a bit more patient. This one really needs to show me some clean moves for me to look for a trade. So as I said, currently waiting for the break of the high or the low. Maybe we get a large push to the downside, then look for a trade. But let's see what will happen. This is, as I said, trending to the upside, but maybe starting to ascend. So be a bit more careful. So the euro and the Japanese yen is still stuck between the low and the high. So nothing new here. I am expecting more of a range. So we need to see what happens in these liquidity areas. We have a liquidity area below, a liquidity area above, very clear liquidity areas. So we need to see if the price pushes up with some nice large momentum, I will look for a trade. But if it just pushes up with one candle and then retraces, then I know that we will be back in this range or even get a reversal maybe. So I'm staying out of that sort of trade. So I need to see a really nice clean push to the upside or to the downside out of this range. But currently it's just very, very range bound. So the Aussie and the US dollar. There was also an opportunity to enter on a trade right here. So let me talk about this. I think I forgot to talk about it in the last forecast. This one also didn't fit my plan because I saw this push from an ascending. That is what I liked. So I was seeing an ascending structure. That was good for me. So I was looking for a move to the downside. But what we got here, we got a huge wick and an aggressive retrace. So we got this V. And at that point, this was a no trade for me personally. And I was not looking for any trades. Maybe someone took a trade here, then unfortunately they would get stopped out. But for me personally, it didn't fit my plan either for a flag or for a break and retest trade at this level. So yeah, that's it. And then we just started to ascend, and then we broke the low retrace, broke the high retrace. So this one is currently heavily range bound, not showing me anything. This looks like a consolidation. And what usually happens after a consolidation, which is interesting, is we get a large move either to the upside or to the downside. So if we get that large move, I am definitely seeing if I can get in on a sort of a trend or something like that. So currently this is showing me range bound price action and is looking like crap, to be honest. So I am seeing if we will get a clean ascending and then a reversal, then I would look for a trade to go short. Or if we get a descending maybe, I will look for a reversal to the upside and then look for a long trade. but as I said, I need to be more patient. Just take a look at this. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, the price action. So then we have the Aussie and the Japanese yen. This one is just, well, not looking that good. What I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing this sort of a descending structure. So in a larger sense of things, we are moving it in this descending structure. And we are also getting now this impulse to the downside. So we broke the low here, got some momentum, but left a huge wick. And at this point, I'm not looking for any trades personally, because this is just looking very well. It's looking more range bound than trending. Definitely, it's looking descending, but also like it's moving correctively in a corrective descending fashion. So for me, this is a no trade personally. I don't like this setup, so I'm waiting for the break of the low or the high. And let's see if we will get some nice moves. If we get a nice push up, I would look for a trade, or a nice push down, I would look for a trade also, maybe a flag or something of that sort. Maybe we get a clean descending, look for a reversal, because we are moving in a larger descending. So if we get a smaller descending, then that would be very, very good. Or we get a nice clean ascending, then I would maybe consider taking a reversal. As I said, the reversals on the Aussie and the Japanese yen don't tend to work out that good for me personally. That's what I found. So I need to see some clean price action to be looking for a reversal. If this ranges, so if this starts to range, it already started to range, but if we get more of a range, then we definitely need to keep in mind the liquidity areas, so below and above. We need to see what happens when the price reacts in those liquidity areas. So does it just break and retrace, or does it actually break with some conviction, and then we get a flag opportunity. So yeah, that's it. Aussie and the Japanese yen not looking that good. I want to see cleaner price action. This is not showing me anything. We do have a large impulse here, but it left a huge wick, and the overall price action doesn't look good, so I am staying out. That's it for the forecast. I will see you guys in the next one. Let's see if the market will clean up. The euro and the US dollar is trending to the upside, so I want to see if I can get in on a long trade. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.